Prepare to witness automotive artistry redefined. This is the Aston Martin Vantage, a masterpiece of power, precision, and futuristic design. Captured in stunning 8K Ultra HD, behold the front of the Aston Martin Vantage, a vision of predatory elegance. The razor-sharp DB-inspired grille fuses seamlessly with pulsing LED matrix headlights, adapting to the world around it. Carbon fiber air curtains and a laser-etched front splitter carve the air with surgical precision. Bathed in prismatic sunlight cascading through a kinetic skylight, the obsidian black bodywork shimmers with reflections that dance across its surface. A digital license plate glows proudly with Aston Martin Vantage, a beacon of British brilliance in a futuristic realm. Now, feast your eyes on the rear, a symphony of power and poise. The Quantum-OLED taillight array stretches across its width, framed by a carbon fiber diffuser that grips the road with unrelenting force. Quad titanium exhausts roar with a primal resonance, teasing the twin-turbo V8 within. Sunlight ignites the molten silver paint, refracted through electrochromic glass, while holographic telemetry dances in the air. Engine heat, exhaust flow, pure performance. This is the Vantage's untamed soul, captured in cinematic clarity. Turn to the left side profile, a silhouette of speed and sophistication. Sculpted vents guide airflow with finesse, while retractable aero mirrors gleam with microtech precision. The solar-powered showroom hums with energy, its photovoltaic glass walls streaming live data as the Vantage hovers above a glowing obsidian floor. Sunlight reveals a sapphire blue nanocoat, shifting hues like a living canvas. Every curve, every badge, etched in 8K perfection, this is aerodynamics elevated to art. From the right, the Vantage commands attention with an ultra-low stance and diamond-cut wheels that scream velocity. A suspended glass walkway offers an intimate view of its sculpted underbody, while smart windows weave light and shadow across its liquid gold finish. Adaptive airflow gills and carbon fiber skirts hint at the engineering beneath. In hyper-realistic 8K, this is more than a car, it's a bridge between legacy and the future, frozen in flawless detail. Step inside the cockpit, a sanctuary of luxury and technology. A curved OLED dashboard projects holographic data, guided by the synaptic AI assistant that anticipates your every move. Hand-stitched leather embraces you, while ambient lighting shifts volcanic amber, Arctic white, neon violet, syncing to your drive mode. Smart glass walls pulse with aerodynamics data, and titanium controls gleam under your touch. In 8K Ultra HD, this is where man and machine become one, redefined by Aston Martin's vision. And now, the Vantage unleashes its fury. Watch it drift with unrelenting precision across a liquid crystal floor, torque vectoring mastery in full display. Holographic projections trace every G-force, every tire scream, as drones capture the chaos in real time. Sunlight scatters into prismatic beams, igniting the molten copper body in a blaze of motion. Smoke swirls, light ripples, and the digital plate glows. Aston Martin Vantage. In Zero Blur 8K, this is raw power meets futuristic finesse, a drift that defies reality itself.